Revuto, I made $12,000 on this trade. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.026 and we put a sell order right here, 0.06, 120% profit, huge returns. Suterusu, I shared this trade in the private list on 10. We bought this coin for 0.0005 and we put a sell order right here, 0.001. $13,000 profit. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Share this video, give me a like, let's trade together because together we are strong. Take a look how many coins I share in the private list on the last 3 days, guys. BabyDoge, this coin I recommend to buy 2 months ago as buy and hold. Okay, take a look at this price. This coin is ridiculous, man. 0.000000 something. So buy and hold the BabyDoge Synapse, Tidal Finance. Take a look at how much Synapse went up, 114%. Tidal Finance 68%. Suterusu 150%. Revuto, we just mentioned about, and Multiverse. Guys, all my trades I share in the private list. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I just made $58,000 profit sharing this. I've developed this software. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Last time when I mentioned Bitcoin, I recommend to buy Bitcoin right here at the price 16,500. Okay, but today there is something very interesting here. If you go here and you go to Fibonacci replacement from the lower to high, so the price is right here. We still under bullish. Okay, so relax. There is no time to, there's no reason to get stressed out. We're still on the 38. Now, if the price went down here to 50, the percentage, that means we're gonna hit the bearish again. But you still make this 200 exponential moving average as a support right here. Okay, guys, reach me out. I have a free platform to provide to you. You don't have to spend $600 with TradeView. So our idea is to buy low and sell high. We buy before the pump and sell up high. Okay, we use the market volume and take advantage of that. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. You already know, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. If you like to trade with confidence, I'm here. Have a blessed day. Have a good day Sunday. Bye bye.